Hello guys, welcome to Secure Cyber Guardian official YouTube channel. Today we learn why we protecting our privacy on Facebook. Facebook is one of the most popular and influential social media platform in the world. It allows us to connect with friends, families and communities, share our thought and experience, and access various informations and service. However, using Facebook also comes with certain risks and challenges, especially when it comes to our privacy. In this video, we'll explore why protecting our privacy on Facebook matters and what we can do to safeguard it. Privacy concern issue. Facebook collects and issues a lot of data about us, such as our personal information, preference, interest, behavior, location, and more. This data can be shared with third parties, such as advertiser, developer, and researcher, for various purposes. Some of these purposes may not be aligned with our expectations or consequence. Sharing too much data on Facebook can compromise our privacy and expose us to unwanted or intrusive attention, manipulations, discriminations, or exploitations. Security risks. Issues. Facebook can be targeted for hackers, scammers, and cyber criminals who may try to access our data or account for malicious purpose. They may use techniques such as phishing, malware, or social engineering tricks us into revealing our credential, clicking on malicious link, or downloading harmful files. Consequence. Falling victim to these attacks can be result in identity theft, financial loss, account hijacking, or data loss. Reputation damage. Issues. Facebook can be a platform for expressions or opinions, beliefs, or emotions, which may not always be appreciated, accurate, or respectful. We may also post or share content that may be offensive, embarrassing to ourselves or others. Consequence. Posting or sharing such contents can damage our reputations and credibility, as well as harm to our relationships with others. It can also have negative consequences for our professional or academic opportunities, as potential employers, college guys, or educators may judge as based on our online activities. Conclusions. Protecting our privacy on Facebook is crucial for our well-being and security. While Facebook provides some tools and settings to help us control our data and activities, we also need to be mindful and responsible for that what we share and how we use the platform. Here are some tips to enhance our privacy on Facebook. Review and adjust our privacy setting regularly and limit the audience of our posts and informations. Use strong and unique password and enable two-factor authentication for our accounts. Be careful of what we click on, download or install, and avoid suspicious or unsolicited messages or requests. Think before we post or share, and avoid revealing too much personal or sensitive information. Delete or deactivate our accounts if we no longer want to use Facebook. Remember, our data is valuable and our privacy is precious. We should protect them both. Subscribe this channel to see more cybersecurity related videos. If you helped from this video, like this video and share this video with your friends who have need this one. Comment in below which video you want.